Pete, meantime, is tracking unusual options activity for us. You have a couple things you're looking at. Pete, talk to me.
Yeah, I'm going to start with silver, Scott. Now, this is really interesting. The SLV, this is a really interesting trade. And the reason I say that is if you go back to just July 24th, so not that long ago, we had a buyer of 18,000 of the September calls, 10,000 August calls, 19,000 November calls, 45,000 November calls, 33,000 November. You get the idea. 94,000 September calls. So this has been active. When I say active, it actually goes all the way back to April because back in April, they were actually going out and they were buying the August 21 calls. Well, those profited very well. They rolled out of those today, and today they're buying 100,000, yes, 100,000 of the January 25 calls. Those are going to go for about $4.55. So it's very interesting because these are in the money calls, which means somebody wants something that's going to move much closer to the stock itself. So I love seeing these kind of trades. They've been buying, SLV and GLD all the way back to early April. You could see a lot of huge activity there. It's been right. When somebody's that right, I want to ride along. I own some SLV calls a little bit further out. I didn't go to these Januaries, but I'm already positioned because of all that call buying we've already seen up to this point. Now, second, MGM. Now, we talk about a lot of these casino stocks all the time, and so the good, bad, and the ugly. But right now, they're looking for something pretty good because before the end of the month, by August, they want to be. They're buying the stock about $17.50 at the time, but they're buying the August 18 calls, and they bought a couple thousand of those, Scott, and they're actually rolling those as well, and they're selling the August 19.5 calls. So what does this all mean? A nice big buyer looking for this stock to make a nice move over the next couple of weeks. I bought those calls. I'll be in those for a couple of weeks as well.